This is our review of West Glacier KOA Holiday. Overall, we really love the park. Honestly, the amenities they have, we have full hookups, we have a pool crew, we have a patio with grass. They have 2 pools, 2 jacuzzis.
Message every day just to let you know what's going on at the KOA.
A guy who forges knives. He's a blacksmith off of what?
He's off of Forge and Fire.
They have live music in this little courtyard. They have a beer garden for adults. So there's honestly a lot of stuff you could do. So if you want to enjoy West Glacier or just enjoy a stay away from home and a beautiful scenery, I think West Glacier KOA is the place for you. We'll see you guys on our next adventure and keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy.
Like, subscribe.